Just bought yourself a Flash Pro? Here are a couple steps to get you going and get your car tuned. I get a lot of questions about the Flash Pro unit and how do I get it set up? How do I get my first tune on there? And most importantly, I bought one used. How do I tell if it's locked or not? In this video series, we're gonna go through the different aspects of owning a Flash Pro, buying one secondhand, what you need to know so you're in the know. For those of you that have purchased a Flash Pro secondhand and you want to know if the Flash Pro has been locked, simply plug in the Flash Pro to your laptop. Whenever you plug in the Flash Pro to your laptop, look down here at the bottom of the screen. This will give you an indication as to what's going on with your Flash Pro. Green check mark for the driver. Drivers are good. Green check mark for the Flash Pro. So it sees the Flash Pro. We are not connected to the vehicle currently. So OBD2, red check mark, ECU in the vehicle, red check mark. Right next to that, locked. This Flash Pro is locked to a vehicle. If you try to use it on your vehicle, it will not work. It is locked to a vehicle. You can also check here at the Flash Pro icon, and you go to a Flash Pro tab. And the Flash Pro tab will show you the Flash Pro attributes, hardware information, firmware, license info, registered to a VIN number, vehicle type. It'll also show you the ECU calibration. All the information you need is under this Flash Pro tab. This one is locked to a vehicle. If we need to go ahead and return it and unlock it, that will require the original vehicle that the Flash Pro was tuned on. Quite often I see customers pick up secondhand Flash Pros and the Flash Pros are still locked to the original vehicle. Hondata charges a steep fee to unlock these Flash Pros. So much that it's almost cheaper to buy a new Flash Pro. So don't make this mistake. This is why I'm making this video. Before you pick it up from the old owner, let's say you called up some guy off of OfferUp and you picked up one of these Flash Pros, take a laptop with you or make sure they have a laptop present. Have them hook it up. Make sure this here says unlocked. If you need to unlock it, you will go ahead and you will plug into their vehicle. Once plugged into the vehicle, you'll see that it sees OBD2 in the ECU. You're going to go up to online, and it's going to say return ECU to stock and unlock from vehicle. Unlock from vehicle. You're going to go up to the online section up here, and you're going to go return to stock. You must return the vehicle to stock prior to unlocking it from the vehicle. Go through the process, follow the prompts. It is imperative when the vehicle is doing any type of flash procedure, you don't open any doors, pull down any windows, do not fluctuate any of the electronics in the car. Voltage stability is key. Make sure that your battery is of good working order prior to doing any type of flashing on any vehicle, regardless Flash Pro or not. You can run the risk of potentially bricking your ECU. This process will take some time, so bring a drink with you. Make sure the windows are rolled down so it's nice and cool, and just sit tight. Try not to touch anything, just be patient. Once complete, the Flash Pro software is going to tell you, please switch off the ignition. Go ahead and do so. Switch off the ignition. Once it disappears, turn the ignition back on. Vehicle is back to stock. Now we can go back to the online tab and go to unlock from vehicle. This will unlock Flash Pro from your vehicle. Can be used on another vehicle. Now, I am selling the Flash Pro. You want to click that. That will go ahead and wipe out all the owner information from the Flash Pro. In this case, for demonstration purposes, I'm not going to do that because this is my personal Flash Pro, my personal car, and I will be reusing it. So I'll leave that unchecked and say, okay. Unlock from vehicle. Now, it's not associated to an ECU. We see here there's no green checkmark ECU information. And down at the bottom, unlocked. So if we would have purchased this thing, plugged it into our computer from the get-go, that should say unlocked, just like you see down there. In the event it says locked, go through the procedures we just went through. That concludes this tutorial. If you want to see anything else pertaining to the Hondata Flash Pro, things you don't understand, not so much getting into tuning, this isn't a tuning tutorial, this is utilizing your Flash Pro, things you're just confused about to go ahead to get you up and running prior to your tune day, drop it in the comments, let me know. I'll be happy to make a video, go over certain things with you, now that I have a screenshot function that I can record the screen, show you guys data real time. If you have questions on this video, things that were not clear to you, put it in the comments. I'll go ahead and get back to you, clarify. If it requires another video, we'll do that too. Hope you found it informative. Thank you.